Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to be able to find this digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case it was 1 hour and 25 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and the Fortnite, but also Google Camera and the others. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So basically, if you want to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can tap inside this graph and your device will show you this dashboard with a specific time of the specific time which you've spent on the screen in particular days. So you will be able to tap on that day and check how much time you've spent on the screen with detailed information about how much time you've spent on particular apps. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and you can also, the another way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings Fortnite, simply tap on it, and as you can see, again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We can change the screen time again to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, we've got also to do the ways to disconnect, and if you'll decide that you spend too much time on the screen, I highly recommend to check, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode. Basically, in the focus mode, you can mark the most distracting apps for you. So, for example, some kind of social media or chat apps. Just mark them. You can set the schedule. So, for example, choose the start and the end time and the particular days. And in this particular schedule, your device will hide the notifications from those apps. So it will be much easier for you to focus on, for example, work or on studying. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.